Yeah, we're starting to get the first light of the sunrise out there, and the mountains are still silhouetted. Beautiful start to our Friday and our weekend. The temperatures down nicely. Our air quality is in the moderate range today. A little bit of a breeze is helping to keep the pollution quotient lower. And so we'll hold on to moderate to good air quality throughout much of the weekend. As you look at the cloud cover, you can see it spilling over through the Inland Empire, but the heaviest cloud cover yet to arrive. It's a part of an area of low pressure that's developing off the coast, and you can see the approaching clouds as they move a little bit closer. Now that low is going to enhance the cooling that we've seen. It will also provide us with a small chance of some very light precipitation in Southern California. The wind that is kicking up as the jet track moves farther to the south, leaving in its wake red flag warnings across much of Northern California. And this is a fire weather watch, so it's not a red flag warning, it's a red flag watch that stretches all the way down through Bakersfield. There are freeze watches in the areas surrounding Vegas in the higher elevations. So it's a pretty cold air mass that's moving in. Our temperatures here on the valley floor are reflective of that, with numbers in the lower 60s this morning. We're at 63 in Palm Springs, 60 Palm Desert. A little bit milder and thermal, 66 degrees there, 65 in Indio. If you compare today to yesterday, we're running 2 or 3 degrees cooler, and I think that that will be true for the daytime high as well. We hit 92 yesterday. I expect us to stay right around 89 for the high. Dew points have started to come down just a little bit. The atmosphere is not terribly moist, but you will notice the dew points are a little bit higher and the humidity value is a little bit higher as we move through the weekend, and particularly as that low draws a little bit closer. That will impart more moisture at the surface. Winds will also pick up today, fairly light, but you will see winds around sundown that start to pick up a little bit. Let's check out your Comfort Air 7-day forecast. Upper 80s today, in line with our seasonal average, 87. So we're going to be very close to that today and tomorrow. Cooler on Sunday when that low gets a little bit closer. The core low will be over Southern California on Monday, and we have very cool conditions, mid-70s. We rebound as we head into the middle and latter part of next week with some offshore winds kicking up the temperatures a bit. Jeff and Angela.
Okay. Thank you, Patrick. 6:22 is the time now, and Animal Samaritans is coming up with another kitty cat.
I'm going to introduce you to little Hermes coming up. You're watching News Channel 3, the Desert's news leader.